What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Adeline Garage. So today we're going to install a factory trailer brake controller on a 15 through 17 F150. We'll go ahead and show you what pieces you have to take off, what pieces you have to order, and also how to turn it on using Ford's Forscan programming. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the only piece that you guys should have to order is the factory brake controller itself. All of the wiring should already be inside the dash, at least on the XLT and higher trucks. I think even the XL trucks. So here's the part number that you have to order. This is for the 15 through 17 F150s. The newer ones and older ones have different part numbers. I'll go ahead and link this one down below, as well as hopefully, if not, I'll just put the part number. Alright, so the first thing we're going to have to do is go ahead and take off this panel down here. There is a 7mm bolt. It's all the way back here. Anthony will be popping up pictures and cool technical stuff so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The eventual goal is to get this strip out right here. So the brake controller is going to end up going here. You have to take that piece out so you can unpop these. You will have to pop this down, which I'll show you guys how to do in a second. And you have to take the radio face off, which requires you to pop this out. There's two bolts in here that I believe they're 8s. I'll have to double check. So essentially, we'll take that bottom piece out, pop this up, pull the radio down, because this whole head unit will pop out, and then we'll be able to pop this out to get to this section right here. Got this guy out here. In order to take this down, all you have to do is kind of grab it and pull it down, just like this, and then this whole thing kind of drops down like that. Actually, I need to pull this back. So pull back like that. That'll kind of pop out. This can go out. And then the next thing we're gonna have to do, let's see if we can pop this out, which alright, so that's popped up like this. There's these two 8mm bolts here. Let me go ahead and grab actually shallows, and we can go ahead and take this off, and then this will pop down. Alright, so I lied, these are not 8mm, they're 7s. So I went ahead and grabbed 7.
I just think you're the first one to pull these out since factory.
Probably. I hope so. Alright, so I think this thing just pulls straight out. I'm pretty sure.
Let's hope.
If not, I'll be getting a radio even sooner.
Hey.
Alright. So now we got that out. I want to say these just pull straight out, if I remember correctly. Pull this out. There we go.
Nice.
Alright. So that popped out. And then this is the piece that needs to come out right here. So this pops out, and look at that, there's your brake controller wiring.
That was easy.
Yep. Go ahead and pop this bad boy out. Set him off to the side because we won't need him anymore. And then that goes in the place of this. And just like that.
Now where are you going to put your cigarettes?
I don't, because I don't smoke. Yes, I did. Yeah, don't do that. Alright, so this guy's popped back in. The gain works, all that. And then we just basically have to put all this back together, which I'll go ahead and do. Alright, that's popped back in there.
So much gap.
guy back up.
Man, I'd love for you to get a touchscreen radio like I have here.
Maybe one day. Soon. Hopefully. Oops. Alright. That guy's popped back in. Now I gotta put the screws that took me 15 minutes to take out back in.
We'll watch every second.
I sit there in suspense. Alright, so the next step, you will have to order one of these. This essentially is an adapter interface that allows your computer to plug into your truck. I'll go ahead and link this one down below. This one was the cheapest one, it was like 20 bucks. They do have ones that are like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or whatever that you can, you know, do whatever. I was cheap, got the cheap one because obviously we're probably going to use this once or twice. So.
You know I own one, right?
Well, I spent 20 bucks and I have my own now. So, yeah, we've got that. This section plugs into your OBD2. Wow, I can't talk.
Make sure your switch is in the right place.
The problem is that it doesn't say which one it is.
Okay.
So, I don't know. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and plug this guy in, plug it into the laptop, and we'll go from there.
The next day.
Alright guys, so now that we've plugged in our Forscan unit, we've already paired the truck and everything like that. What you need to do is you need to go down to this little icon, oops, this little icon right here. You'll click it and then this will come up. So what you need to do is go all the way to, be at the top there, where is it? We've already clicked away from it. The IPC module configuration. So go to that, click that, and then this will show you what's enabled and what's disabled. Like adaptive cruise control is disabled. Auto start stop disabled, which is good. I'm gonna leave that way. We'll go all the way down to trailer brake. The trailer brake ones. So, being this is a later 2016, I have two. So there's trailer brake control module, and then trailer brake control gain settings. We're gonna need to change both of those. Go ahead and double click, go from disable to enable. Click check.
You haven't written the thing yet though.
Yeah, there we go. Sorry, this is really early in the morning. Turn back off. Turn back on. Driver door ajar, we know that. There we go, and it works. Trailer disconnected. So, cool. That's how you do that. There's a bunch of other stuff you can do as well, which we'll probably get into at some other point. Alright, so that wraps up on how to install the factory brake controller and go ahead and program it with the Ford Forscan program. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and hit us up in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and share the video. Help this channel grow. The more subscribers we have, the more cool stuff we can do. So I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.